Assalamu alaikum. This is Rabika Sheikh from Siratinat Association. I hope you're all fine and enjoying your good health. So guys, here we all are faced with the same situation, with the same problem. You can say that we all are just restricted to stay at our homes. We all are just bound to avoid all the outdoor activities which we usually have. So guys, I would say that there's no need to panic yourself. There is no need to put yourself in that fear. What we have to do is to just indulge ourselves in such indoor activities that will induce ourselves to overcome the fear which we have these days, because I think the steps which are taken are for our benefit, are for our protection. So we must obey the rules set by the government. We must obey by the orders set by the government. This is the only way in order to prevent the pandemic disease which is spread these days. So I would say that please stay at your homes. You are gifted with such time, you can say, because in our daily routine we don't have as much time. So please try to spend as much time as you can with your family members, so that you can create your bond stronger with them, so that your relations may become stronger with them. So this is all we can do in these vacations, I think. This is all I have to say. I hope you will like my opinion. Keep me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz fi Amanillah.